Hey everyone, this is Stuart Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We're inside the shack today. We have some sad news from the ham radio world. It looks like we lost one of our portable ham radio operators this morning due to electrocution of some sort, according to what I'm reading online. Emergency responders were called to the Averasboro Battleground at the Chicora Cemetery in Harnett County in North Carolina, near Dunn, North Carolina. I go through Dunn quite a bit when I'm traveling down Interstate 95, and it appears now that doesn't look like it was POTA related, or was it related to the 13 colonies? But this person that is the deceased now is known in the POTA community. So what I'm reading and what I'm seeing is it was some sort of electrocution. The ham radio operator was announced deceased at the scene. It seems that he was setting up some sort of antenna, putting up a mast or deploying some sort of radio antenna, according to the WRAL News website. Anyway, folks, it's sad. It's a sad day. It's a sad day in the ham radio community. But a reminder, just a very harsh reminder that we need to be safe out there. We need to practice common sense when putting up antennas and masts, that you're nowhere near electrical lines, and that, accidents happen. I get it, but we have to practice safety all around us in this hobby. We deal with high voltages, high currents, RF. These things happen. I don't know exactly all the detail. I'm sure details will come out as things over the next few days. But you should be putting up masts or towers or end-fed half-waves or wire antennas or anything near power lines. Anyway, I'll try to find more resources and link them in the description below. It's a very, very sad day today in the ham radio community. Our thoughts and prayers go out to the family of this ham radio operator, and please, just practice safety, folks. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We'll see you guys in another video.